told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Ayan, so bali yan na po yung sitwasyon po dito mga kababayan. So pagdating nga po dyan, bali buo na po yan. Ayan, so bali nandito na po tayo sa ating good news mga kababayan. So may kita nga po natin dyan na nakapaglagay na rin po sila dyan. Ito pong girder. So hindi lang po yan dahil maging dyan din po sa kabilang poste. So halos na kompleto na po nila. Yan pong girder na kanilang ilalatag po dyan. Ayan po, yan pong tinuturo ng araw. So nung last update po natin dito 5 days ago, so bali wala pa po yan dyan mga kababayan. Pero ngayon po, as of March 9, 2022, so yan, so bali na kompleto na nga po nila. Yan pong paglatag nito pong girder, yan po sa may kabilang poste. So yan po yung ating good news at ang ating pinaka-latest update po dito sa ating update ngayong araw na ito. Tara po mga kababayan at samahan nyo po akong muli na silipin at alamin dito nga sitwasyon na po dito. Tara, let's go! At so yun na po mga kababayan ang ating update ngayong araw dito po sa ginagawang NLEX-SLEX Connector Road Project. So sana po yung nag-enjoy po kayo sa panonood dito sa ating update. Muli po ngayon po ay araw po ng Huwebes, March 9, 2022. At sa ngayon po mga kababayan ay hanggang dito na lang po muna itong ibibigay po nating update sa inyo dito sa ginagawang NLEX-SLEX Connector Road Project. Sana po ay kung bago lang po kayo dito sa aking munting channel at kung napadan man lang kayo, sana po ay huwag niyong kalimutan na isubscribe itong aking channel at i-click nyo na rin po yung kanyang katabing notification bell para lagi kayong updated every time na mayroon tayong mga bagong upload. At sana po ay huwag nyo na rin pong kalimutan mag-iwan ng isang like bilang suporta dito sa aking channel. Maraming salamat po.